Okay, we're gonna do a DIY on Target's 5 shelf room essentials. They only have 2 in stock right now, so we're definitely gonna grab these. I believe that these are $35. So this is definitely my hack on IKEA shelving. This is the area that I am going to use the Target bookshelves to DIY this closet area. As you guys can see, I have a bar currently here. I have moved items out of this space. So it's definitely going to be a before and after going on for this walk-in closet area. So we have managed to put up 2 of the bookcases, and as you can see, I have them at varying heights as far as the shelving goes. I'm undecided for the second as to exactly what I'm going to put, but I want to show you guys that when you put you see the hanger, you can hang your items in the bookshelves. There is enough space to do that, and in this closet there is a door that goes into another hallway. So this is our process and progress thus far. For the bottom, I am going to keep the bottom shelving at the same height, so it's very uniformed. Her hack was basically $150 she showed for her room, versus like IKEA spending like $1,000, maybe $1,000. Now, I want to say this, guys. You definitely need to measure your space, because as you see in this video, me holding the camera and showing this room doesn't really do it justice for you guys. I have the Target Room Essentials 5-shelf bookcase. That's what this is. I wanted to do this because it's definitely gonna be much cheaper than IKEA, using the IKEA pack system, but I am going to get the same or even better outcome, because guys, these shelves, which are bookcases, they are $35 each. In my space that you see, I am trying to show it to you in a way that you can better see. This is just 2 bookcases that's up right now. It is going to, the space that I have in this area, I have changed. This area basically is a hallway, a walkthrough. I have converted it into a walk-in closet for my daughter. And I am definitely going to, this section of the closet, of the shelving unit, I am going to use for Miss Chloe. I am going to, she had a little cabinet, So we are definitely going to be hanging Mrs. Chloe's, her little outfits. We're going to hang it in this top portion, this section of the closet of the bookshelves. And all of her harnesses are going to go here in this section. And guys, I'm going to do another video, but all of my upcoming candles that I currently do not own, that I will be purchasing on the SAS sale, which is going to be this year on December the 26th. I am making the appropriate storage, guys, for that. So I am going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 new shelves for that. With these 2 bookshelves that I have up for my space in this current space, it's going to take me about, I'm going to be using 6. I'm going to be using 6 bookshelves. So for me, the cost of this project for me is definitely going to be more than $150, because I purchased these yesterday. The purchase of these two cabinets, I purchased 4 cabinets yesterday, and the purchase without tax for the 4 of these was $140. So if you can see in this space, I have all of this space in the air. I am going to also put shelving up here. I am going to case in all of the bookshelves, and also have upper storage. So I'm not 100% sure just yet, but that's the difference for me. Like if I would have ordered IKEA PAX system, I would have measured it all the way to the top, trying to get units that could go in that way. But believe it or not, guys, I feel like this has been much easier. The install of this, to assemble it, the first one was the roughest. It took a little bit more time to put together, but to me, putting these together versus the PAX, the IKEA PAX system, was a little bit easier. Okay guys, I have 2 more completed, as you see here. I am now getting ready to put the back on these, and this, guys, is the backboard. So I'm gonna put 4 little pin nails in that, and then you guys will see me putting it on the back. Because these bookshelves are so cheap and flimsy, you need to put all the little small nails that are here inside of your board, going down and around on all sides, guys, because we are doing this the really inexpensive way. So with this compressed wood, because that's all this is, and compressed wood, guys, is nothing but like shavings and dust particles, cheap parts of wood smashed together to resell. Okay. This is the view of my closet now at this stage. All of this was done over this weekend, and I said before that I was gonna need 5 shelf bookcases, but I see now I'm gonna need one more, because my space the space that's left is not wide enough for 2 more bookcases. I can only put one. So I'm gonna, for this wall in this area in this particular closet, I am using 5 of the bookshelf cases. Okay, guys, I wanted you to see in real time my experience. And the one thing that I do love about this, and PAX as well, is the fact that everything is adjustable and you can change it according to whatever your needs are. Like I stated before, I am going to put Miss Chloe's, this is her clothes. I'm going to put her stuff in this section right here. Also this section right here. So she's going to have her closet things are all going to be in these 2 sections, and the rest here, you see my hammer, of course, I'm going to move that. The rest of these shelves are going to be used for my candles, and all of this stuff I am going to put my decor and everything else that is needed for my daughter to have her stuff. So we are going to definitely enjoy this space some more. We are going to, next week we are going to work on this top portion, by framing that out and building shelving up there as well. So I personally know that we are going to maximize this space to its fullest potential. Later on, I will work on this side, but we are going to build a shelf situation most definitely over here.